नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं पवन क्रिस सेंटर फॉर रेलवे इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम से स्वागत करता हूं आपके अपने YouTube चैनल जिसका नाम है नॉलेज शेयरिंग। तो दोस्तों, आज मैं आपके लिए इरी की एक सीरीज लेके आया हूं। What is IRI? IREE, that is International Railway Equipment Exhibition 2021. तो दोस्तों, IRI is the name of exhibition which is organized by CII. IRI 16 से 18 दिसंबर 2021 को प्रगति मैदान न्यू दिल्ली में ऑर्गेनाइज की गई। IRI 2021 provides a wide opportunity for the largest modernization and expansion plan of Indian Railway. तो दोस्तों, IRI में इंडियन रेलवे की कुछ सेलेक्टेड वीडियोस मैं आप लोगों के लिए लाया हूं, तो काइंडली चैनल को लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। थैंक यू।
Hello, welcome to this ceasefire display in the IRE exhibition. Let me introduce you to the new range of fire extinguishers. These are all technologically advanced fire extinguishers. You might have heard about powder-based extinguishers, foam-based extinguishers, and gas-based extinguishers. But what ceasefire brings now is the latest technology, which is the water mist-based, and this is the future technology. All fire extinguishers, all firefighting solutions will now shift to water mist, and we have different varieties of water mist fire extinguishers. For example, you can see this is a portable water mist extinguisher. This is a 9-liter capacity, this is a 6-liter capacity. Then these all products are going into railways, and slowly and steadily railways is introducing water mist based extinguishers in coaches and replacing powder based extinguishers with water mist. We have installed this anti-theft alarm. This is going into non-AC coaches, which is attached to a fire extinguisher. You pick up the extinguisher, the wire comes out. If you pick up the extinguisher, the wire comes out, and there is a siren. You put it back, and it goes silent. So this actually acts as an alarm, and also in case somebody is trying to steal an extinguisher, it acts as an anti-theft extinguisher. This is a new technology. Again, this is an automatic detection cum separation system which is installed in servers, it is installed in relay panels, it is installed in data laggers, electrical panels. So it is automatic detection and separation through a pressurized tube. This tube runs around in the panel, and this is connected to a cylinder. The cylinder is pressurized with clean agent gas, which is zero ODP, environment friendly gas. Does not leave any residue inside the panel. As soon as the fire happens, any temperature between 100 to 160 degrees, the tube will burst, and all the extinguishing agent will empty out and flood the panel till the fire is put out. There is a monitoring panel, there is a siren. So this complete system, and all these products are available on GEM for the benefit of government buyers. We have sanitization equipment. This is again the latest technology, mist-based sanitization equipment. We are using in this sodium hypochlorite solution, and the beauty of this system, apart from the chemical, is in the gun. This gun is basically going to introduce mist in the atmosphere.
कैसे लगी आपको कमेंट करके जरूर बताइए और चैनल सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। थैंक यू।